Have you ever completed your verification, uploaded all documents, and still seen the status saying pending? If yes, you're not alone, and you're definitely not stuck forever. In this video, we'll clearly explain why verification shows completed but still pending, what's happening behind the scenes, and what you can do to fix it faster. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share where you can get more detailed help. When a platform says verification completed, it usually means your documents were successfully submitted, initial checks have passed, but pending means the process hasn't reached final approval yet. Verification is not a single step. It includes automated system checks, manual reviews, compliance and security approvals. So even if your part is done, the platform may still be reviewing things internally. Here are the most common reasons your status stays pending. Some accounts are flagged for extra checks. This is normal, especially for financial or job-related platforms. During busy periods, verification queues get longer. Small issues like name spelling, image clarity, or address formatting can slow approval. Back-end upgrades can temporarily pause status updates. Sometimes platforms request extra documents and users miss the notification. To avoid delays, always upload clear and valid documents. Ensure all personal details match exactly. Check your email and app notifications regularly. Respond quickly if additional information is requested. Even a small delay from your side can extend the process. If your verification has been pending for too long, contact customer support with your reference ID. Check the platform's help or FAQ section. Keep records of all communication. Be patient, but follow up politely. Most pending verifications resolve once reviewed manually. A pending verification does not mean rejection. It simply means the system is still doing its job, protecting users and preventing fraud. Stay calm, stay proactive, and make sure all your information is accurate. For detailed guides, fixes, and step-by-step solutions on verification issues, system errors, and online platform problems, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.